And welcome back. We want to see how to use or, both, and only. Ready? Here we go. First, let's see. I can say she has taken all of the books. If I use this correct. Simple. So I can use it like this. She has taken all of the books. One. Is there another one? Yes. Let's see. She has taken the books all. Correct too. She has taken all of the books. She has taken the books all. Very simple. All of you are learning. Are you not? You are. All of you are learning. And I can say you all are learning. If I like, I do what we call linking. That is, I link the words and make them sound. You all are learning. You all are learning. You you all are you all are learning. That is, if I intend to link them. Okay. Then both. Let's see how we can use both. I can say both girls are beautiful. Both girls are beautiful. I can say both of the girls are beautiful. Both of the girls are beautiful. And both the girls are beautiful. Both the girls are beautiful. Quite simple. The last waiting for us. Only. I can say this only will take 5 days. And the last for now, not the least, I can say this will take only 5 days. How to use or, both, and only. I hope that was useful and great. Thanks for now. Bye for now. Until next